I grew longer, thicker hair over a space of 1 year plus, and I'm going to share with you the recipes I use to make the rosemary water for healthy growth. As you can see, stay tuned to the end of this video.
You can bank on it, you can put 100.
It is no longer news that you clicked on this video to know the recipes on how to make rosemary water for healthy hair growth. I'll be sharing it in this video. First off, the obvious one, you need rosemary leaves, be it fresh or dried, whichever one you have handy, you can make good use of it. And you also need clove. Clove is actually going to help you in this mixture, but the disclaimer is you're not supposed to use too much of it because it has drying effect. And you know that once your hair starts drying, once the tip is dried, it can be prone to breakage, and the more your hair breaks, the shorter your hair would look. So you're supposed to try to retain as much length as possible. So that is why you're not supposed to use too much cloves in your mixture. Moving on, the measurement varies depending on the quantity of water that you're going to use. If you're not using too much water, you don't need too much of the herbs. But if you're using like a lot of water, or you want to do like a lot for maybe so many people at once, then you need a large amount of herbs. So let me just give like a rough measurement, right? If you want to make the rosemary water, you can actually just use like 3 spoons of your rosemary and half spoon of your cloves. Like I said, we don't want too much cloves in our mixture because of the drying effect. Moving on, ensure that you don't boil the herbs on your gas or your heat or whatever you're using. All you need to do is boil water separately. Once the water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, then you turn it into a bowl that is already containing your herbs. Once you do that, you cover it up for 24 hours, 24 good hours, and you will notice that the herbs have infused into the water. You will notice the color change in your mixture. Once that is done, you strain it and you put it in a spray bottle for easy application. Don't forget, you're not supposed to leave this mixture at room temperature. If not, it's going to get spoiled because of the active ingredients in it, and microbes can start acting on the water, right? And you will notice that it will get spoiled. So the right preservative method is for you to keep it in the fridge. So for those of you that keep asking that, oh, what if I don't have fridge and all of that, do a quantity that you will exhaust in no time. That's the only way. If not, you might end up causing more harm than good to your scalp and your hair in general. Moving on, ensure that you spray this mixture 4 to 5 times weekly, and you're good to go. Don't forget that you need to moisturize your hair afterwards. Moisturizing your hair is just a means or a preventive measure to prevent breakage. That is why you need to moisturize your hair. And nobody should come with a question of, oh, can I use shea butter to moisturize? Shea butter is not a moisturizing agent. Shea butter is more or less like your sealant, just like your oil. So instead of using shea butter, use a leave-in conditioner that is very good, that has the right properties to moisturize your hair. And also, you can pair the rosemary water with your rosemary oil. They both work hand in hand. You can spray the water and apply your leave-in conditioner and you seal it with the oil, or you spray the water, apply the oil, and you can just apply your leave-in conditioner. It depends on the kind of method you want to follow. Everything is good. So be consistent. Even though you have this mixture and you're not consistent, you will not see the results. Be consistent, and most importantly, you need to be patient. It works differently for different people. I, for one, I saw like fast results. I experienced longer, thicker hair, but you might not see those results in a short period of time like I did. You might need to exercise more patience. Like we all know, our growth rate is actually different, so you cannot really compare yours with mine. But the truth of the matter is, it actually works. If by any chance, like I would say over and over again, you notice that it has like adverse effect on your scalp, probably it is inducing itching or whatnot, or you are noticing some allergy, try to desist from using it. Like, just stop it with immediate effect. It's not a must that everybody use this mixture, but if you're starting off your hair journey, you can give it a try. I sincerely wish I had an idea that we can use this mixture on our hair. I would have started like long ago, but like I said, It was just within a year and some months that I discovered it, and since then it has been bliss. But like I said, I wish it was a mixture that I had incorporated long before now. Nonetheless, I hope you try it out, get your herbs ready and make good use of it. If you need like a visual representation of how to make this water, I have like so many videos on my page. You can just click the link in the description box and watch, and you can do it the same way. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is long, luscious, bouncy, full, thick, dark, everything you can think of. Moving on, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And like I would always say, I have an ebook where you can learn this and more, and even lots more recipes and different methods and everything in between, how to grow healthy long bouncy hair. The link is in the description box. Click it and get your ebook now. Do enjoy the rest of the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my